Hello YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I pot up my tomato seedlings. Let's get started. So the first step is to remove any bottom branches on the seedling and place it in a tall and narrow container like I'm showing here. Fill up the container with potting soil, making sure that all sides of the stem are in contact with the potting soil. That encourages root development along the stem of this tomato seedling. In a couple of weeks, it should have developed a lot of root mass along its stem, and by that time it should be ready to be transplanted into a garden space or a deep container, where it will develop into a strong tomato plant, eventually leading to an overall increased yield. That's how I pot up my tomato seedlings. Thanks for watching. If you like the content of this video, please click the like, share and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section.